Emma, you are very quiet today, so please tell me what is wrong with you right now.
Oh. I went to a shop yesterday, and the people there laughed at my bad English today.
I am sorry to hear that, but you must be strong and keep trying every day.
I used the wrong word for my drink, and I felt very sad and very small.
Making mistakes is how we learn a new language, so do not feel bad about them.
Now I am afraid to speak because I think people are watching me all the time.
This classroom is a safe room, and no one will ever laugh at you in here.
Speaking here is easy, but speaking to people on the street is very hard for me.
You are a brave student, and your voice is very important, even if you make errors.
I want to speak to people and feel like a smart person rather than a child.
People who laugh at you usually only speak one language, so they do not understand you.
I will try to think about your words when I talk to people tomorrow morning, too.
Do not worry about small mistakes, and just try to say what you want very clearly.
I said my words many times at home, but I still made a mistake at shop.
Home practice is good, but talking to real people is the best way to learn English.
Will my English be good one day so that people will not laugh at me again?
Your English is getting better every day, and you should be very happy with your work.
I want to tell a funny story in English and see my friends smile with me.
That is a great goal, but for now, just use simple words to talk to people.
My heart goes fast and I feel nervous when I talk to a new person.
Breathe slowly. Remember that it is okay to speak very slowly when you are nervous.
I wanted to cry yesterday, so I just went home and sat in my room.
It is okay to be sad sometimes, but do not stop learning because of one day.
I want to be like the other students who are not afraid to speak out loud.
Everyone is a little afraid, but the best students are the ones who keep talking anyway.
I need to read more books so I can know all the correct words to say.
Reading is good, but being brave is more important than being perfect when you speak today.
Yeah, I will go back to that shop tomorrow because I want to be a brave girl.
Aripimididam. I am very happy to hear that because you have a very good heart for learning.
If they laugh, I will just smile and say my words again very slowly and clearly.
Hanan, you are a very strong person, and I am proud of how much you try here.
Thank you for talking to me because I felt very alone with my many bad thoughts.
You are not alone because I am here to help you with your English every day.
I will listen to English music every day so I can hear the sounds of words.
That is a very smart plan, and it will help you speak much better very soon.
I hope I can help other people who are afraid to speak English like I was.
You will be a great teacher for others because you know how they feel right now.
Sometimes I forget simple words like apple or water because I am so very nervous.
When you feel nervous, just stop and wait for 1 second before you start to speak.
I will use short sentences like this so that people can understand me very easily.
Short sentences are very good for you now, and they will help you build your confidence.
My mom says I should be happy with myself because I am trying my best now.
Your mom is right, and you should be happy because you are a very good student.
I talked to myself in the mirror today, and I felt very good about it.
Talking in the mirror is a great way to see that you look very confident.
I thought I was the only person who made mistakes in this big, busy city.
Many people make mistakes every day, so you should not feel bad about your English.
I will write a list of English words that make me feel very happy today.
A happy mind helps you learn faster, so keep thinking about the good things always.
I think speaking English is like a fun game, and I want to play more.
It is a very fun game that will help you make many new friends soon.
I will not let those people stop me from learning my new language this year.
You have a great spirit, and I know you will be a very good speaker.
Can we talk about buying food so I can be ready for the shop tomorrow?
Yes, let us practice now, and I will help you with all the right words.
Hello. I would like 1 cup of coffee with milk and some sugar, please.
That was perfect, and your voice was very clear and very easy to hear now.
I feel better now because I said the words to you in this safe room.
The more you speak out loud, the more natural the English words will feel today.
I am very happy to have a teacher who is so kind to me today. I am very happy to have a teacher who is so kind to me today.
I am happy to have a student who works so hard on her English lessons.
Tomorrow will be a happy day, and I will smile when I go to shop.
A big smile helps people understand that you are a very nice and kind person.
I will speak a little bit louder so they can hear my words very clearly.
Clear speaking is better than fast speaking, so please take your time and be slow.
I feel like I am part of this class, and I can do this well.
You are doing a great job, and you are a very important part of class.
I will tell my friends to be brave and talk, even if they are nervous.
Helping your friends is a very kind thing to do for other people around you.
I will remember this day for a long time because I feel very brave now.
I am glad I could help you find your voice in our English lesson today.
I am ready to go outside and talk to the world with no fear.
Gar, go and have fun, and do not worry about what other people think of you. Thanks, Shirwo God.
Thank you for everything, Mr. Harris, and I will see you in class tomorrow morning.
Goodbye, Emma, and remember that you can do anything.
If you just keep trying hard. Thank you, Mr. Harris. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.